Hello, and welcome to Bug Tussle University's online tech tutorials. Today, we are going to cover how to fill and sign a PDF document with Adobe Acrobat. Steps for this tutorial were created on January 9th, 2024, using the Google Chrome browser and running Windows 10. This tutorial may not work for different devices or software. Special note: Adobe Acrobat may prompt you to create a free account before you can fill in or download your PDF. This is the Google Home screen. To start, we need to navigate to the Adobe Acrobat PDF Filler website. In the Google search bar at the very top of your screen, you will type Adobe PDF Filler and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. From here, you will see a couple of options. You will want to scroll down the page and click the result that says Sign and Fill PDFs with a free online PDF filler, Acrobat. Once on the Adobe PDF Filler site, you will then need to upload the PDF you would like to fill out or sign. Once you click Select a File, a pop-up box will appear asking you to select a file to upload to the Adobe PDF Filler site. By clicking Select a File, your computer will open up your File Explorer, which will allow you to upload the desired PDF you would like to fill out and sign. For this example, we are going to upload 2023 Form W-2. Once you have selected and clicked the desired file, you will click Open. Doing so will upload your document to the Adobe eSign tool. From here, you will see your blank PDF form uploaded to the platform. If your PDF has multiple pages, you can scroll down the page on the right-hand side to view the additional pages. Your main toolbars can be found on the left side of the screen. These tools will give you multiple different ways to fill out your blank PDF. The first tool we will be covering is the Fill in Form Fields tool. You will use this tool when you want to fill in your form by typing text into selected field boxes. When this tool is selected, you can simply click anywhere on the PDF and start typing what you would like to fill into any given box. To change the text size, simply hit the smaller A to make the text smaller before typing, or hit the larger A to make the text bigger before typing. To delete the text you just typed, click the trash can icon. If you would like to check, X, or fill in a bubble, you will use the tools on the left-hand side. To select which option you would like to use, click either the X, the check, or the bubble. Once an option is selected, You can then click where you would like to place your shape in the form. To move any of your text or shapes, click and hold your text or shape and drag it to the desired area of the PDF. To make the shape bigger or smaller, do the same as you would with text. Select the smaller A to make the shape smaller, or select the bigger A to make the shape bigger. If you wish, you may then select the trash can icon to delete the shape. Next, we will go over how to create a signature and sign your PDFs digitally. To create a signature, click Add Signature. You are then given three options on how you would like to create a signature. First, it gives you the option to type your signature. If you type your signature and you would like to delete the whole signature and start over, click the Clear button. You are also given the option to draw your signature if you would like. To draw your signature, click and hold your mouse to draw and let go when you would like to stop drawing. Again, hit Clear to delete your work and start over. If you have a picture file of your signature uploaded to your computer, you are also given the option to upload a picture of your signature and use that to sign. Once you have created a signature that you would like to use, you should click Save. Now that your signature is saved, you can click and place your signature anywhere you need to on your document. If you would like to change the size of your signature, click the small a to make it smaller, or click the large A to make it bigger. If you would like to delete your signature, click the trash can icon. If you would like to toggle back to your Fill in Form Fields tool, simply click on the tool and you will be able to click and fill in the form with text again. Once you have completed filling out and signing your PDF, you have a couple of options on how you can download or save the PDF. If you would like to save your PDF to your computer, click the Download button at the top of the screen and click Download PDF on the next pop-up. You can also print your PDF right from the web page by clicking the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and selecting Print. Lastly, if you'd like to share the PDF with someone, you can click the Link button at the very top of your screen. Once you click this, you will have to click Get Link, and when this is done, you will be able to copy and paste the link to send to anyone you would like. Just note that when you get link, you will no longer be able to edit your document. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. To find more tutorials like this one, subscribe to our Bug Tussle University channel. See you next time.